This is the book of Luke, chapter 21, verse 9. But when ye shall hear of wars and commotions, be not terrified, for these things must first come to pass, but the end is not by and by. This is the book of Luke, chapter 21, verse 10. Then say he unto them, nation against nation. Salakia, my apology. Luke 21, verse 10. Then say he unto them, nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom. So, Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh B'Hashem, Yahweh Shai B'Hashem HaKarkadash. And the Heavenly Father's true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, B'Hashem, in the name of Mashiach Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashon Kadash, the Holy Tongue. And shalom to the elders for preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And I say shalom. And this is a news article from the JerusalemPost.com by Reuters, published October the 21st, 2023, and last updated on October 21st, 2023. And keep this in mind, a couple of days ago, you had the United States soldier were stationed over there in Iraq. They was under enemy airstrikes and drone attacks as well too. I believe it was a couple of soldiers were injured, but not serious though. So keep that in mind as well too. And then I believe this was a recent attack was throttled. As it says again, it says drone attack. It says drone attack on a Iraqi airbase that hosts U.S. troops throttled. It says defense systems at Iraq's Al-Assad Air Base, which hosts U.S. and other international forces in western Iraq, intercepted and shot down 2 drones while they were hovering near the base, an Iraqi security source said on Saturday. It says in a statement cited by Site Intelligence Monitoring Group of Islamic Resistance in Iraq, a Shiite militant group claimed the responsibility for the attack. Bring that out again, Luke 21 verse 10. Then say he unto them, but I'm going to start at verse 9. Luke 21 and verse 9. But when ye shall hear of wars and commotions, be not terrified, for these things must first come to pass, but the end is not by and by. Luke 21 and verse 10. Then say he unto them, nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom. So with that, hopefully this lesson was edifying of this recent news article from the JerusalemPost.com as of October the 21st, 2023, and last updated on October the 21st, 2023 from the JerusalemPost.com, and it reads again, drone attack on Iraqi airbase that hosts U.S. troops throttled. Right, so this is the second time within the last couple of days or so. The United States came under attack because you got U.S. Navy base stationed over there in Iraq. So they came under fire once again the second time within the past couple of days or so. So these are increasing of wars and rumors of wars, nation against nation, kingdom against kingdom. So with that, hopefully this lesson was edifying, like I mentioned again. And I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh B'Hashem, Yahweh Shai B'Hashem HaKarkadash. And the Heavenly Father's true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, B'Hashem, in the name of Mashiach Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashon Kadash, the Holy Tongue. And shalom once again to the elders for preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through 4 corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And shalom to the Akwaf sisters as well too. And until next time, I will say shalom.